So this is just a quick visualization of what SCOTE does. Just as a quick overview of what the GUI looks like, the top left corner displays the current graph state. This displays the node information. You click on a node and it gives its portfolio, short description of the assets in its portfolio. It also displays red dashed lines to other entities which it is a partner of. As you can see, Jones is a partner in both Jones Co. and Family Trust. And then you can click on different parts of the transaction or the edge to look at specific information regarding that transaction. And then this right in the bottom left is the transaction history, and then this is the audit score sheet, which we will explain more later. So what we see here is the first transaction is between Family Trust and Jones Co. Family Trust gives an annuity to Jones Co. And then Jones Co. gives a partnership asset to Family Trust. And so that's the first transaction, nothing suspicious there. If we go to the next state, we see that it's between Family Trust and Jones. And this invokes the single link audit. And the reason is because, as you can see from these red dotted lines here, Jones is a direct owner in the Family Trust partnership. And so regardless of what they're exchanging, which in this case is an annuity for a partnership asset, this is suspicious because it is suspicious to have a transaction between two directly linked entities. And so as you can see, the weight, the audit point weight corresponding to a single link entity is a single link transaction is 0.5. So now the total audit score is 0.5. And if we go to the next state, what we see is we have both a single link and a material annuity exchange audit flagged. And so that's the second single link transaction, and then the first material for annuity transaction taking place within the same transaction. And the reason is because here Family Trust is an owner of NewCo, part in the partnership NewCo, and also they are exchanging a material for an annuity, or to be specific, NewCo is giving Family Trust a hotel, and Family Trust is giving NewCo just an annuity. But we already flagged previously that an exchange that involves a material for an annuity is suspicious, and so that is also flagged audited behavior with a corresponding weight of 0.2, and because it's also a single link transaction, it adds 0.7 to the overall audit score, bringing it to 1.2. Our final state, what we see is just a material for annuity audit, and why that's happening is because Brown right here is purchasing the hotel from Family Trust for an annuity, which we already defined as being suspicious. But because Brown and Family Trust are not connected in any way through partnerships, there is no single or double link annuity flagged, and there's just an additional 0.2 added to the final audit score. And so what we see here is after 4 sets of transactions, the total audit score is 1.4, corresponding to this specific set of transaction or tax evasion schemes, if you will. This has just been a rudimentary implementation of the graphical user interface for SCOTE. It's going to be more advanced in the future, but this is a brief overview of how a single run in the model works.